What's going on, guys? It's your boy Hollywood, better known as the Gamer Tech, Stuntman Gene, and the YouTube channel LamboFit, back at it again with the Jordan 1s. Hope you guys are having a great day. Yo, so you guys see, we finally, The Rock has come back to YouTube. We finally made it back. Got the phone working now, so should get back on track. Yo, so I gotta break it down. First of all, before I start breaking it down for you guys, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support. I know it's been a little rough the last couple weeks. Stuff has just been crazy, but thank you. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ding the bell, turn on those notifications, leave me a comment, let me know if you're new. All right, so Pete, here's what happened. So first, new phone didn't work. Then had to switch out that phone, got another new phone. That phone didn't work. Then had to go back to the Apple store. They couldn't figure out what was wrong. Finally, we ended up removing all the software, putting new software on. That didn't work. Swapped out the phone again. So now we're at three iPhones, which means for whatever reason they couldn't just swap the phones. They had to like run a credit thing like 3 different times. So like I ended up with like 3 iPhone loans in my name at the exact same time, which is crazy because they didn't get flagged. And then all of a sudden I got billed for 3 iPhones. I'm like, whoa, I only got 1 iPhone now. Like, why am I getting billed for 3 iPhones? Thing in and of itself, right? So now I'm like, all right, let me get all my content. Content from the old phone won't transfer to the new phone. It just keeps going into like blank folders and then give me an error message that says, oh, we can't do that. So I'm like, all right, what am I gonna do with my content? So now it's like, okay, get the content from the GoPros, put it on the computer, use the computer to upload the videos. Well, guess what? It wasn't working. For whatever reason, it wasn't working. Then on the phone, I was getting an error, like cannot prepare upload message. So then it wasn't doing that. So it's like, every day that I was like behind trying to get videos up was because I've been trying to get videos up and there's like just something else would happen, whether it was the phone, the new phone, the broken phone, like whatever. But finally, we have a new iPhone 11 Pro Max. It seems to be working. And the only problem right now, so now I still can't upload any videos from my phone. So now I have to airdrop the video. After I edit it, I have to airdrop the video to my MacBook Pro. And I know you're like, yo, why don't you just edit on your MacBook Pro? I don't know. I like editing on my phone. Anyway, so I have to airdrop the video from the MacBook Pro, airdrop it from my phone to the MacBook Pro, and then upload it from the MacBook Pro. That's how we finally got up yesterday's video. So, but yeah, it took a lot of trial and error for me to figure that out. But we got that figured out, so we should be good. Anyway, so today's gonna be a good day. What do we got to do today? Got some business stuff that I have to do. I know you guys said you want me to start putting the business stuff in the videos too. I'll start getting it in there, but I will. Do I want to show that yet? No, I'm not gonna show that yet. Anyway, what am I doing later on tonight? Oh, finale for Survivors tonight. So the Survivor finale and Big Brothers tonight. So you guys will get to I'm gonna go to like a watch party with a couple people. So there'll probably be, somebody from the old cast is usually there. I don't know who's gonna be there. But then Camille's probably gonna come out, Saul will come out, and then tomorrow will be the actual finale party, and then we head to Vegas. So it's gonna be good times coming up. And all right, anyway, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate all your support. Thank you for everything. Just know that I am inspired by you guys, and whole revamp is coming real soon. So I mark my words, before we get to video 100, it'll be a new format, and it'll all be like the workouts will be back in, but they'll be like edited, and like it's gonna be dope. But right now, like we're still playing catch up because like we're behind because stuff wouldn't upload on time, but like we're going to get there, all right? All right, guys, thank you so much. All right, LamboFit, I just got a question because I'm very confused. I came in the restroom, and then I see this sign. Someone explain what you're supposed to do with it then. I have no idea. LamboFit, we out here. Sunday morning. Riding GMR. This is like 1/8 of everyone who's riding this morning.
It's good to see so many riders, man.
All that, and we got one girl.
肚子肉，然后再走。
对啊，你长了一张想看到，如果我上次我就看他贴那个，你要往那边贴着他吗？还好，还有对面那个，对，还有这个那个幸好没有车。
I want a slow-mo. What's it gonna do? Like burn it out?
It's like stalling. All right, didn't mean to go back. That's awesome.
Yeah, we just saw the air show. Now we're heading back.
Heading back to the Long Beach.
The beaches of Long.
Big ass boats. Won't follow you. Stay in your wake.
LamboFit. Every day. No breaks. No days off. No excuses. So I got the workout in today. I was going to hike Runyon. I think now I'm just going to go to the gym. Alright, guys.
Team Deathmatch. It's too close. Fight hard.
Changing mag!
Lost the lead. Tied for the lead.
Tango down!
We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight hard.
Reloading!
Tango down.
We've taken the lead.
Enemy down!
Recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. Hunter killer drone on standby. UAV online. Friendly hunter killer. Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Target down! Tango down!
Care package inbound. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Enemy down!
UAV recon is standing by. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Care package awaiting orders. UAV online. Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Changing mag! Reload! Cover me!
Friendly care package inbound. Be advised, hostile care package
Sniper
inbound.
down!
UAV recon ready for deployment. Hunter-killer drone on standby. UAV online. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Care package on
Target down!
standby. UAV online. Care package inbound. Keep on them. We're winning this one. Predator missile on standby.
Enemy down!
Friendly Predator missile inbound.
Target down! Target down! Tango down!
Recon ready for deployment. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment.
Yo, LamboFit, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Appreciate you guys, all the support. It means the world to me. Appreciate you watching all the videos. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Also, hit the bell, turn on those notifications. That way you can see every time a video goes up. I know that there's going to be a lot of videos going up like back to back to back to back to back. Just because I got so much footage I got to catch up on because I was having upload problems and then computer problems and then phone problems. And then I was having problems, y'all. Like, your boy was having problems. But just know that the videos are all there. So we about to get it in again. So let's go. LamboFit, we out here every day. No breaks, no days off, no excuses. And as always, I'm not trying to change the world, just your perspective of it. Peace. Woo!